In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see top gainers on TradingView. TradingView is a popular platform widely used for tracking and analyzing financial markets, offering a range of tools and charts for investors and traders alike. Whether you're new to the world of finance or a seasoned investor, understanding how to view the top gainers can provide you with insightful data for your trading decisions. First, let's start by heading over to the TradingView website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used the site before. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the top navigation menu, where you can find various options and tools. Next, we're going to look for the Highlight button and click on it. The Highlight feature on TradingView is designed to bring your attention to important or trending information that could be beneficial for your trading strategies. With that clicked, you're now ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have the Highlight feature activated, navigate to the Products tab. This area of TradingView is where you will find comprehensive tools and services aimed at refining your trading experience. Once there, you'll find a variety of options. Our focus is on the Screeners section. Go right ahead and click on Screeners. Screeners on TradingView are incredibly powerful. They allow you to filter stocks, futures, Forex, and cryptocurrencies based on various criteria, helping you to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Now, since we're interested in the top gainers within the stock market, click on the Stocks option specifically. After you click on Stocks, you'll be presented with a list of stock information that can be tailored and adjusted to suit your preferences. To zero in on the biggest gainers in the market, you'll need to find where it says Change Percent. Clicking on Change Percent allows you to organize stocks by the percentage change in their value, which is crucial for spotting top gainers. Finally, with the list sorted by Change Percent, you'll want to sort this data in descending order to see the stocks with the highest positive change at the top of your list. Go ahead and click on the option to Sort Descending. This will rearrange the entries and bring the top gainers to the forefront. And there you have it. With these steps, you can keep track of the stocks showing remarkable gains, essentially providing you with valuable insights right at your fingertips. Now you're all set to make more informed decisions in your trading journey using TradingView's platform. Thanks for watching and happy trading.